Most people over 50 don't notice dehydration until deep inside their cells, silent stress begins rising. Cellular dehydration starts quietly, long before you ever feel thirst or see obvious warning signs.
But your body whispers clues, and ignoring them may weaken your heart, brain, and metabolic balance.
Sign 1. Unusual skin dryness tummies. The top layer tightens when your cells lose internal hydration reserves.
When cells shrink, the skin struggles to retain moisture, creating rough patches even with normal humidity.
No amount of lotion fixes internal dehydration. The dryness returns because the real issue lies deeper.
Sign 2. Persistent chapped lips, signaling your bloodstream lacks enough fluid to maintain healthy tissue moisture.
Dry lips often appear before any thirst, especially in older adults who naturally lose hydration sensitivity.
Thicker blood moves sluggishly, reducing nutrient delivery and raising cardiovascular strain even at rest.
Sign 3. Heavy eyes frown. Dehydration reduces tear production, making your eyelids feel tired and strangely weighted.
Dry eyes signal deeper fluid imbalance, affecting the brain's ability to regulate vision and focus. Sign 4. Light headaches that fade quickly but return firm. A classic sign when your brain cells lack proper hydration.
Even mild dehydration forces the brain to work harder, triggering pain signals that feel like simple tension headaches.
These headaches seem harmless, but repeated episodes suggest your cells are losing essential fluid balance.
Sign 5. Small muscle twitches. Dehydration disrupts electrolytes, causing nerves to fire unexpectedly.
Low sodium and potassium shift electrical activity, leading to twitching, cramps, and sudden muscle tightness.
Cramping at night is often the first visible sign that your body's deeper hydration reserves are running low.
Many dismiss these twitches, but they can reveal silent dehydration, affecting muscles and heart performance.
Fortunately, rehydration at the cellular level is simple, but you must act before symptoms worsen.
Every sip supports your cells, restores balance, and begins reversing the hidden stress dehydration leaves behind. Hot showers feel relaxing, yet excessive heat evaporates surface moisture and accelerates deep cellular dehydration. If your skin feels tight after bathing, it's a quiet signal your body is losing hydration more quickly. Even breathing warm, dry air indoors can gradually pull moisture from your lungs and bloodstream. Heaters reduce humidity, causing continuous moisture loss without thirst, especially dangerous for older adults.
Artificial lighting and dry environments subtly dehydrate outer tissues long before internal thirst appears.
Caffeine increases urine output, causing fluid loss faster than most people compensate during busy mornings.
A single strong cup of coffee can dehydrate sensitive adults more than expected, especially after age 50.
High-salt snacks pull water from cells to dilute sodium, creating hidden dehydration even when you drink water.
This fluid shift weakens cell function, forcing your body to compensate while leaving tissues underhydrated. Even mild exertion increases water loss through breath, a common cause of dehydration people rarely notice.
Every visible breath in cold air represents moisture leaving your body faster than you replace it.
Sweat becomes less noticeable with age, meaning dehydration can progress silently during simple daily tasks.
Fast evaporation hides how much fluid you lose, leaving older adults unaware of their declining hydration levels.
Busy routines often suppress thirst signals, making long hours dehydration one of the most overlooked risks.
Constant distractions pull attention away from hydration, causing hours of unnoticed internal fluid depletion.
Sedentary time worsens dehydration because slower circulation reduces the body's natural thirst response. Reduced hydration weakens nerve communication, confusing the brain and hiding early warning signs entirely.
Midday tiredness often comes from dehydration, not age, silently reducing energy and mental clarity.
Most people think they drink enough, yet the body loses water faster than habits can naturally replace.
Awareness is the first step. Understanding hidden water loss helps you restore hydration where it truly matters. When a cell begins losing water, its structure stiffens, weakening how efficiently it performs daily metabolic tasks. Stiffness you feel after waking up isn't always age. Often it's cells struggling without proper hydration.
Low hydration reduces mitochondrial output, slowing your energy supply and making even simple tasks feel heavier.
You may blame fatigue on aging, but cellular dehydration can drain strength far more than expected. Thicker blood from dehydration stresses your cardiovascular system, forcing the heart to pump with extra effort.
Many mild chest discomforts stem from poor hydration, not heart disease, yet often go unnoticed.
Dehydrated nerve cells transmit signals less efficiently, slowing memory, focus, and emotional stability. Brain fog often appears when neurons lack enough fluid to maintain clear, rapid communication. Dehydration slows digestion, forcing the intestines to pull water from stool, creating discomfort and constipation.
You may think it's the food, but many digestive issues come from simple, persistent dehydration.
When muscles lack water, their fibers tighten, reducing flexibility and increasing the chance of sudden cramps.
Minor aches often vanish with proper hydration, yet many accept them as a natural part of aging.
Kidneys work harder when dehydrated, forcing them to filter thickened blood with less efficiency.
These subtle sensations are early signs that your organs are compensating for chronic fluid shortages.
Without enough water, your cells struggle to clear toxins, letting waste accumulate and slow overall healing.
Unexplained tiredness is often your body signaling overwhelmed cells struggling to maintain balance.
Even the immune system weakens when dehydrated, slowing its ability to respond to everyday threats.
Temperature sensitivity increases when your body can't regulate heat properly due to low hydration levels.
Blood vessels narrow under dehydration, raising blood pressure and forcing the heart to work harder. A slightly stronger heartbeat may feel normal, yet it often reflects the strain dehydration places on your system.
Recovery begins with consistent hydration, allowing cells to slowly re-expand and restart their natural healing functions.
Small, frequent sips hydrate deeper than large gulps, giving your body time to absorb moisture efficiently. As water enters your bloodstream, it restores thickness, improving circulation and easing cardiovascular strain. Improved circulation brings oxygen more easily to tissues, reducing the subtle aches dehydration often exaggerates.
Adding light electrolytes supports nerve stability, helping muscles relax and preventing nighttime twitching or cramps.
With electrolytes balanced, muscles regain elasticity, making morning stiffness fade noticeably faster.
Hydrated cells regain shape, improving nutrient flow, waste removal, and internal stability throughout the body.
Skin softens naturally once cells refill with water, proving hydration works better than surface creams alone.
Even your eyes benefit. Hydration strengthens tear production and reduces the heavy, gritty feeling of dryness.
Clearer tears improve visual comfort, helping you focus without fatigue during everyday reading routines.
Hydration boosts electrical activity in the brain, restoring sharper memory, quicker recall, and emotional balance.
Mental clarity often returns quietly, revealing how much dehydration influences forgetfulness more than aging.
Hydration softens stool and supports smoother digestion, easing discomfort and reducing intestinal strain.
Meals feel lighter and digestion steadier once the body has enough fluid to process nutrients efficiently.
Kidneys filter more effectively when hydrated, clearing toxins faster and reducing unnecessary organ stress.
A simple glass of water can noticeably rejuvenate your mood, energy, and overall sense of well-being. Hydrated blood flows more easily, reducing pressure on the heart and supporting stable cardiovascular performance.
Your balance improves as muscles regain flexibility and nerves fire more reliably with consistent hydration.
Hydration restores the harmony of your cells, allowing the body to return to its natural rhythm and strength.
Every sip rebuilds your foundation of vitality, showing how simple hydration can transform daily life after 50.